Yep.
Okay, ready? This is just to show that the ear is dirty, that's why they have this reflex there. Dogs and cats will have this problem. If the ears are not dirty, you won't get this reflex. So they always keep on rubbing ear, and then sometimes they rub until the neck is hairless, but this one doesn't have this problem. Then we see that it's quite dirty. Then we come and see this side. See whether the reflex is here. You show that his ear is very itchy. Very itchy. So I'm surprised he didn't scratch until it's hairless. So the best is to...
So how often should you clean a cat's ears?
Well, normally you just check every week whether it's dirty or not. This one is just wax. And if it's dirty, then you put the ear drops and then you massage like this to clear the wax. He shouldn't have this reflex. He shouldn't have the scratching reflex. You can even show it like that, is it? Yeah. So this shows that the ears are itchy, but it's not as bad as the other cats. And this cat is thin as well. You can see it's all sharp spines. He doesn't eat much, right?
No, not so much. About 2 or 3 times.
Okay, then we turn over. Come, you hold him upside down. Now we see that definitely this part is very dirty for some reason. He's unable to clean himself. Normally cats are very clean, and they shouldn't be dirty. See, the whole area is dirty. What's happening? Do you know? Then he has running nose as well. Now, if he has running nose, I wouldn't want to operate today. It's just running nose yesterday.
Yes.
How he got it? That's why. Unless he got flu. Has he got flu?
I don't think he does.
So it's best not to do any operation today because of this running nose. Was he bothered? Did he go for boarding? Or did he mix with some cats earlier on?
No.
He's a pretty isolated cat. He stays in the house the whole time, doesn't he?
No, the last few days has he been out?
He wanders. He does go wandering.
Where?
Because that's
Outdoors?
That's outdoors.
So he might have contacted the
He lives on the 5th floor, so
flu. No, has he been vaccinated before?
No.
Not even once?
No, not once.
So he might have got the flu from the other cats, is it? So it's best to let him recover. His appetite will come back to normal. His appetite is normal now?
Yes.
What's his temperature like?
39.5, which is a bit on the high
A
side.
bit high, is it? Have they got the same temperature as us?
No, different.
What's normal for a cat?
38.5 to 39.5. So this is on the higher
On the high
range.
side.
Yeah. So this running nose is not normal in cats, is it? Do you see it before? Do you see no, early on, is it common?
Yeah.
Does he have it all the time since, every week do you see this?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
You mean he has running nose for a long time?
So what's the risk they've got? Cats.
Eh?
What's it? AIDS.
Yeah,
Is there a risk?
Yeah, definitely you have to do blood tests. Yeah. Then you have to do blood tests to check for the FIV there. Let me check the lung. No sneezing, no coughing, right?
No.
Definitely the appetite is good, yeah? Right?
Yeah.
The stool?
Sorry?
Stools are normal? The stools
Poo.
Yeah.
Poo's
Poo
alright.
normal, yeah.
in the mouth and not watery.
No, not okay.
Well, normally a 2-year-old cat can be quite fat, but this fellow is quite thin actually.
The trouble is he's got so much fur that it's you don't really realize how thin he is.
No, you can just feel the spine, see? You can feel the spine. It's quite short here. So this is a wandering cat, is it? He wanders out.
Yeah, but he doesn't go that far, actually.
But he does contact other cats then?
No, very, very rarely.
But he does.
When you're away at school, though, you don't know what he does, right? The door's open, you can go wandering and then he comes back. Remember he got lost for a...
When was he got lost?
But that was a long time ago, over a year ago.
So I would advise to postpone the neutering. It's up to you if you want to do it then.
The thing is, we're actually moving into a new apartment.
Oh,
probably in about 2 weeks' time. So if he needs to have
See a tartar, just ask her to see the tartar. Very unusual to have tartar in a 2-year-old.
Okay.
Quite solid tartar there, isn't it?
he needs if he's going to wear a collar, you know, maybe
It doesn't need to wear a collar.
after neutering.
Neutering. Normally, I don't. Just give some painkillers and antibiotics will do it.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the things. Ear, teeth, what else? Ear, teeth, weight, and of course, nose, running nose, and of course, it's very dirty below. Looks like he didn't groom himself recently, is it?
Sorry?
Or has it been like that all the time? So
Recently.
dirty, no? This part so dirty. Has it been like that all the time?
No, not all the time.
So this shows that the cat may not be well. These are the signs of
He was quite. When did he? Was this the same